Alright guys, welcome back to SS Fishing. Today I'm over at Birds Green Fisheries, coming for the day on Top Lake. I've only been here about half hour I'd say, and my left hand rod's ripped off. It's a lovely 16 pound common. Biggest fish I've had I think so far this year. So it's a lovely fish to start off the session. Later on I'll show you the tactics, bait I'm using, spots I'm fishing, and all the other good bits. But yeah, let's hope I get some more this session. See you in a minute. Sorry about the footage with the fish and the introduction. I didn't realise my head was out of the frame until I watched it back. Poor camera work on my behalf, but you know, you live and learn. So yeah, as I was saying, we're back over at, well, I'm back at Birds Green Fishery. This is actually where I first started carp fishing, and I caught my very first carp, which was, I think was 18 pound when I was only 5 years old. So I decided to come back here for the day, and then I've only been here, as I said, half hour, and I caught that lovely 16 pound. So guys, this is my second fish. I would try to get it up for you if it behaves. Yeah, so this is my... No? Yeah, this is my second fish of the day. Just under 16 pound this one. All immaculate fish coming out here. Always has been really, coming out of Birds Green, so... Now, I'll get this one slipped back. Get a couple pictures for... Not pictures, what am I saying? Get a video on what rigs I'm doing, what I'm using next, once I get this one back. So yeah. So it's 1 o'clock now. I haven't had anything since that second fish so far. So what I've decided to do, I'm going to just show you through the rigs and bait I'm using. This is the rig that I caught both fish on, and the bait I caught both fish on. You can see all I've got is a trigger wafter, and I've just topped that with a 12mm white spice pop-up, and that's the rig I caught both fish on the end of the island. So yeah, it's great. And then on my right hand rod I have the same rig, but all I've got different is I've got, get it out, this is a cell dumbbell, but it's been coated in liquids, powders, everything. Smells amazing. I've got that, just the top cut off, top with a white spice pop up again. That I haven't had anything on yet, so what I'm doing is I'm going to change that over to this. It's just a D rig with a, what's the name of this pop-up? A pineapple pop-up from Nutrabaits. Pineapple. Yes, I'm going to just put this on my right hand rod, sorry. And then I think I'm going to bring, instead of putting it at the same distance as my left hand rod on the island, I'm going to just bring it in a bit. Because I know there's a bar that runs from the point of the island down to the pump. So I'm going to just bring it off the bar a bit. So yeah, see if this can get me a bite. While showing you my baits and rigs, I forgot to show how I'm baiting up and with what I'm baiting up with. What I've been doing is just threading one of these on when I cast. This is just crushed up trigger, and then as well I've just catapulted a couple trigger boilies out of the bag, straight from the bag, just catapulted a couple of them out. And that's it really, nothing else happening. Still very quiet. Got quite warm now. Nice weather for once. The past couple of months have been horrific weather. So yeah, see if these changes can help me get another bite for you.
Pretty tight.
So I'm home now, nothing else happened. Fish were more on the surface, getting all the sun they could. Weren't interested in feeding at all, so I decided to come home early. I was meant to be there till around 6:30, 7. 7 to like when you have to finish fishing for the day at Birds Green. But that's it really. Some news I've got to tell you though is I have officially been added to the Nutrabait junior team. So you'll see me using a lot more of their bait, and that's what I was fishing with all today, and that's what I caught all my fish on today. So been doing good with that. That's it really till next session. See you then.